Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I am having Pani Puri. I have prepared for you because it takes time. Like not that much, but still, I think the video would be long. So in Pani Puri, you get first is this puri, a small version. You have to find the weak side and then break. See, but generally, and make sure your hands are clean, huh? Please, clean hands only. Okay, and once you have the space, you get chana. I like this chana. Every place sell different versions. Sometimes you get the big one. I like this one. And then you have two pani, gravy salan, whatever. Okay, one is always spicy, and this is the spicy one, which is green in color, and I prefer it very less comparatively to the sweet version, which is a little bit more thick and it's red in color. I'm gonna show you right now. Yeah. So yeah, it's sweet and it's a little thicker. So once I would show you how to make one, okay? So as you see, so first what you do is you take the chana, okay, and add it. Just add more. Done. Then you can add, wait, before I add, I need a cap so I don't spoil the rest. Add the green one. It depends how spicy, how tikka you want. And then you add the sweet. I like sweet more. And then what do you do? So I have prepared, so I'm just gonna add the pani, the green and the red one. I think, should I keep it up, the pani? I think, but yeah, the red one is here and the green one is here. I hope it doesn't fall. Okay, and I have my small plate, tray, whatever you can call it. You can add anything first, it's up to you. It's not necessary that you need to have first green and then red. Some people don't even have red. My mom and my fiance, they don't like the red one. They love the green. Ready? Okay, I'm gonna add just little bit of red and a lot of green. I'm okay with spice, but I think that's enough. Just keep on adding. Normally in one plate, you get 6 to 7. Guys, let me know in the end how many pani puri did I eat. Okay, let's see. So, yeah, okay. Best mukbang ever. Yum. Oh, by the way, guys, if you want to try this one, I will tell you from where I got it. You can go there and they can prepare it for you. Hello, focus. Focus on my pani puri. Yeah, here it is. So, I got mine is from, okay, from here. Can you see tiffin bowl? Okay, it got many branches, so you can go and have it. I'm not sponsored, just letting you guys know. Oopsie. Very crap. I want to eat tikka now. Let's bring the spice. I hope you guys are counting. Okay, so guys, this is the last one. All empty. All done. So hope you like this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment below and let me know how many do you think did I eat. And see you next time. Bye.